Good morning to one and all. My name is Vai Gautami and I am working as a management lecturer in Sri Vivekananda Degree College. Today we are going to discussing about the topic is pricing policies. So what are the pricing policies is followed to the firm or company. Every company may be decided to follow different policies to maintain the price, but every company some of the commonly followed policies. The commonly followed policies are the first followed pricing policy is cost based pricing policy. Cost based pricing policy. So when the firm to start up a pricing policy, so at the time they estimate the manufacturing expectation of cost. So how much of cost we are faced? The cost may be like different categories we may be faced to the production of areas like production cost, manufacturing cost, labor cost, electricity cost. We may be spend more expenditure in the costing areas only. So how much of cost may be? The cost may be occurred in 15 rupees and we additionally add base like 5 rupees is equal to we can decide the price is 20 rupees. This is the cost based pricing policy. So when we want to set up a price, at the time we can play key role on only cost. So how much of cost we are faced and we additionally add some of the profit. Cost plus profit is equal to we can decide the price. So when we want to decide the price, at the time we explanation cost plus profit is equal to price of the commodity. So this is the cost based pricing policy. It is also known as based pricing. So what is the meaning of based pricing? The based pricing says what is the basis of expenditure to meet the product, to completion of the product. So that much of basis expenditure plus we can additionally add some of the profit to meet these of expenditure for the supervision. So that's why we can decide the price like cost plus profit is equal to price. The manufacturing cost of the product is 15 rupees. We additionally add 5 rupees, that is the profit, is equal to the price is 20 rupees. This is the first pricing policy. And the second based pricing policy is demand based pricing policy. Demand based pricing policy. The demand based pricing policy, if our product create more demand, at the time product price also very high. If our product don't have any demand, at the time product price is very less. So demand of our product is high, it means supply low. So when the supply is low, automatically create demanded. Demanded is high, that means price also high. So when the supply of product is high, automatically demand is decreasing. So when the demand is low, at the time product price also low. So this is the second based pricing policy, demand based pricing policy. And the third one is competition based pricing policy. The competition based pricing policy means here we can give the consideration of competitors. The competitors may be produce same product for the same price. At the time we may be chance to increase or decrease the price like 1 or 2 rupees only. So otherwise the competitors may be provide 5 rupees. Maybe we provided 10 rupees. At the time the customers may be attracted to only competitors. So that's why we follow the competitors also adaptation price. So it is also known as adaptation price. So who is adapted price? The competitors are adapted to our price. So we also adapted to competitors price. And the fourth one is cost plus demand based pricing policy. Cost plus demand based pricing policy. So this is the combination of first and second. This is the combination of first policy and second policy. Here we can considerable cost and also we can considerable demand. So our product manufacturing expenditure cost is 15 rupees. So our product have more demand, at the time we can give 10 rupees. plus we can additionally add price of 10 rupees. So automatically price is 10, 10, 20, 20 plus 15 is equal to 35. So we can decide the price like this. So this is the cost plus demand based pricing. So every company maybe have followed different prices. Some of the companies are follow their own way pricing. So that is the monopoly pricing. That is the monopoly pricing. Mono means single, poly means seller. The single seller pricing. The single seller pricing means as their wish may be increase or decreasing the price. The person of buyer may be familiar to seller, at the time they may be give to the very less price. If the buyer is unknown strange person, at the time they may be provide very high price. So automatically he purchase because of the reason he is the only single seller to the market. So that's why compulsory we want to purchase the product. And when we start a new product, so we may be follow two strategies. The two strategies are price skimming. The price skimming strategy is price initial stage increasing, and day by day price is decreasing. This is the price skimming strategy. And the second one is price penetration strategy. Price penetration strategy. The price penetration strategy, the price in initial time low. The price in the initial time is low, and continuously the sales volume is increasing, the profit, the price may be increasing. So this is the price penetration strategy. So these are commonly follow different policies for the different companies. The first one is cost based pricing policy, demand based pricing policy, competition based pricing policy, cost plus demand based pricing policy, monopoly pricing policy, and the new product time price skimming strategy and price penetration strategies. So these are the some of the explanation for the pricing policies. Thank you students. Thank you so much.